Are we burning cake?
Oh, Christmas tree.
Oh.
Oh, Christmas tree. Why are you not burning?
There it goes. It should go from here.
Get that guy.
Oh, yeah.
Say, Michael.
Oh. Watch out, 7 is getting big, dude.
7, get over here. Don't bite it.
Nice. Yes. Here's there. Hold this. Let me get a picture of it, Nikki.
You're too dark. You can't see you. Holy fuck. That thing is... That thing is huge. Are you sure? That's so crazy. That thing is huge.
That's how you start a fire, buddy.
Somebody stand in front of it so I can get perspective of how big it is. Everything in the neighborhood. It's a really big freaking fire. It's a naked tree now.
Now it's a Charlie Brown tree.
Who's gonna have hot embers landing on the Jello shop?
There's embers everywhere. Holy crap.
Oh no, they
Oh, that could be bad.
I was about to say, guys, this is not good.
Good thing it's been raining for the past 2 days.
Yeah.
It'll be alright, because they're going out. And that was the worst of it there, so.
Yeah. Whoa.